I still need to attach this to somewhere in here, but for now it's doing the job. I got the hoses coming through my cabinet. The diesel heater itself is sitting inside my cabinet. Hoses are run through cabinet wall. Eventually I'm going to run 2 of these into my truck cab area, and then 2 of these are going to be back here in my shell. I just got to reroute these in a better position. All right, so my first morning waking up and having my diesel heater warming up my truck shell. Man, I'll tell you, this is a game changer. I've been so cold the last week and a half-ish, trying to go to sleep, and then the real struggle is waking up in the morning in the freezing cold, trying to get dressed and get out of my truck shell. So now I'm waking up to like 75 to 78 degree temperatures in my truck shell. It's so nice. So if you are up in the air about buying a diesel heater for your setup, I would highly recommend it. Mine was only $130. That's pretty cheap for a heat source, a really reliable heat source, a dry heat source. I am so cozy right now. This has changed my life on the road drastically as a nomad. I no longer have to worry about the wintertime. I am good to go. That was one thing that I was worrying about, was when winter comes back around, or just cold nights in general, you know, how to survive and be comfortable. So this is a game changer. There's heat!
It's gonna get so hot in there.
Oh!
Once you close this bitch up,
Dude,
in no time it's gonna be so hot.
I'm so excited.
And you know what?
Yeah, dude.
You can see there's smoke coming out the bottom. A little bit of smoke.
I wonder if it's coming back into the cab or the truck bed.
Although the muffler, I don't know if it makes much of a difference sound-wise. It'll add a couple of inches. You can also get it on the plate.
All right, so this is the diesel tank for the diesel heater. It's not in there permanently yet. I don't think this is where I want it to be permanently. I just don't have what I need to put it where I want to put it, which is going to be right here on the door. But as for now, there is the connection. It's on a 4x4 right now. It goes through the filter. I drilled a little hole right there. We fished the fuel line through the floor of the truck. And as you can see, it's right here, which that might get caught in something, honestly. We're gonna give this some more space. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it goes through the floor and then underneath along the frame of the truck. Tacomas have a built-in pocket down here. Okay, so the wiring, the fuel go up underneath, and then as you can see, it's tucked back in there. So the fuel line, the intake and the exhaust go through this cabinet and then out bottom of the truck. So there's my exhaust right there, just poking out the bottom. I had a wire touch it last night while it was on, so it melted a little bit. Those get hot, so if you're going to install one of these, make sure to install that exhaust where it's not touching anything. My truck's a mess right now because we're about to move locations in about the next hour or so. So I kind of threw a bunch of stuff in here. But right here is my sink that can collapse. For now, I ran the heater lines just all into here. There are 4. So I got 3 sticking out right here, and then I got the 4th one that goes down and pokes underneath my bed. So I have 1 drying underneath my bed so I don't get any moisture problems under there. Then the other 3 are here for now, but I'm going to route 1 coming up out of this cabinet somewhere, and then the other 2 are gonna go into the truck cab area. I wake. I am focused. That brings me to my plug. If you want to